Nigerian Afrobeat singer David, popularly known as Davido, has accused Osun State Commissioner of Police Umar Abba of not respecting the rule of law. Davido, in a tweet on Monday, said Abba is a disgrace to his children. Osun, currently governed by Davido's uncle, Governor Ademola Adeleke, is facing heightened tensions between members of the People's Democratic Party and the All Progressive Congress (APC). The crisis stems from attempts by sacked local government chairmen elected under the APC to reclaim their position despite court rulings removing them from office. Davido's tweet is coming after the sacked chairman of Urewole local government area of Osun State, Remi Abbas, and two others were shot dead by unknown gunmen at the local government secretariat in Ikiru. It was gathered that the attackers stormed the secretariat in broad daylight on Monday, firing multiple gunshots. Amid the chaos, Davido took to his ex handle, formerly known as Twitter, to call out the Osun State police chief, accusing him of failing to uphold the rule of law. Davido wrote, "Mr. Umar Abba, Osun State Commissioner, you are a disgrace to your children. Game on. All of us go mad together. Weary. Mr. Commissioner, respect the rule of law. You are not madder or crazier than us. Make we all cuckoo mad. Men month. I will post you every day, everywhere. Mr. Man, try me." Davido wrote. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section. We'll continue to monitor this developing story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.